Hello students. Now today we will do exercises of our chapter, that is chapter 2. This is your recap of the chapter. This is the recap of the whole chapter. Now we will start exercises. Exercise means fill in the blanks, true false, application based questions, multiple choice questions and question answers. So first we start with the fill in the blanks. Now, there are 6 fill in the blanks in this chapter. First is a computer virus dash the normal operation of a computer. That is disrupt. A computer virus disrupt the normal operation of a computer. Second, computer virus results in loss of dash and dash of data. So, answer is speed and destruction of data. Third is stone virus is a type of dash virus. Stone virus is a type of boot sector virus. Fourth, dash virus was first detected on ARPANET. Answer is Creeper. Creeper virus was first detected on ARPANET. Fifth is My Doom. This is the answer. Means dash is the most expensive virus in the world. My Doom is the most expensive virus in the world. Now the sixth one is dash is designed to identify, prevent and remove virus from a computer. Answer is antivirus software. So antivirus software is designed to identify, prevent and remove virus from a computer. Now we come to the second one. State true or false. There are 6 true or false in this chapter. First is a computer virus is similar to biological virus. Yes, it is true. Second, all virus programs cause harm to data or programs. False. The correct statement is all virus programs do not cause harm to data or programs. Third, Trojan horses are self-replicating. False. Trojan horses are not self-replicating. Fourth, a worm is similar to a virus in design. Yes, it is true. Fifth, spyware creates a backdoor on a computer. It is false. In place of spyware, Trojan horse creates a backdoor on a computer. Sixth, we should not equip our computer with antivirus program. Yes, it is true. So, you all know students how to write true false in your copy. First of all, you have to write all the exercises in your copy. First, you will write fill in the blanks. Then, true false, the pattern you know how to write it. In true false, you have to write the statement with their correct statement also. That you were doing earlier in the previous classes. Same pattern you have to follow in this class also. Now, we come to the third question, that is application based questions. First question is, Varsha's computer has got infected with the virus, resulting in the frequent hanging of the system. Which software will you suggest her to install in order to solve this problem? Answer is any antivirus software like Avast, AVG, McAfee can be installed. Now the second question is, Sumit's computer is not working properly. The executable files and programs with extensions like .com, .exe, .ovl, .drv, .sys on his PC have got infected. What type of virus has infested his computer? So the answer is program file viruses. Program file viruses has infested his computer. This application based question also you have to write it in your copy. Now MCQ, that is multiple choice questions. So there are 5 multiple choice questions are there. We will start with the first one. Which virus infect the boot record or master boot record? 3 options are there: worm, boot virus and spyware. So correct answer is boot virus. Boot virus infect the boot record or master boot record. Second question, Which virus is named after the wooden horse used by the Greek army to conquer the city of Troy? Options are Dark Avenger, Stoned Virus, Trojan Horse. So answer is Trojan Horse. Now the third, when was the first PC virus released? Options are 1897, 1985, 1987. So correct answer is 1987. Fourth one, which one of the following is the name of a virus? Options are Jan 1st, May 1st, April 1st. So the correct answer is April 1st. Fifth is, who released the first PC virus? Options are Duke brothers, Wright brothers, Farooq Alvi brothers. So correct answer is Farooq Alvi brothers. So these all are your multiple choice questions. Now we come to the question answers. Next is question answers. Answer the following. Now there are total 6 questions. I have written all the answers below the questions. You have to copy the same in your computer copy. So we start with the first question. What is a computer virus? Name its types. Answer is, a computer virus is a program or set of programs that disrupt the normal operation of a computer. It infects or destroys the data. There are different types of viruses: boot sector virus, program file virus, multipartite virus and microvirus. So this is the answer of first question. Now come to the second question. Write any 3 possible symptoms of virus in a computer. Answer is, 3 possible symptoms of a virus are: first, decreasing the speed of a computer; second, unexpected error messages pop up; third, computer may shut down and restart frequently. Third question is, what do you understand by the term spyware? Answer is, spyware is a type of malicious software that gains entry into a system and monitors the user activity without his knowledge and then reveals the collected information to another interested party. Spyware programs can also collect various types of personal information such as internet surfing habits, visited web pages, passwords, and even credit card numbers. Now the fourth question is, explain the working of Trojan horse. Answer is, Trojan horse are programs that pretend to be useful software but actually damage the computer once installed. They create backdoor on the computer by giving unauthorized access to malicious software. Question number 5. Write any 3 steps required to prevent your computer from virus attack. Answer is, to prevent virus attack, follow the given steps. First is, equip the PC with some antivirus program and keep it updated. Second, always scan the pen drive before copying files. Third, scan the hard disk twice a month. Now the last question, question number 6. Briefly explain antivirus software. Name the antivirus software that is used in your school computers. Answer is, antivirus software is a computer program which is designed to identify, prevent and remove viruses from a computer. Quick Heal antivirus software is used in our school. So this is all about the question answers. Now your second chapter is finished. Up to here, all the exercises, fill in the blanks, true, false, application based questions, multiple choice questions and question answers you have to note down in your computer copy. Same you have done in the first chapter also. In the first chapter also you have to write down all the exercises and question answers, and in this chapter, chapter 3 also you have to complete it in your copy. In the next video, we will start the new chapter. So that's all for today. Thank you.